Apo. A venerable word in the Philippines. When you hear it, you can feel it, a spirituality that reverberates with meanings of ancestry and divinity. A bridge between the present and the spiritual legacy of the past. Filipinos viewed nature as alive with spirits, and the term Apo was used to honor elders, spirits, or sacred places like Mount Apo, revered by the Bagobo, Manobo, and other indigenous groups. To this day, it signifies respect, sanctity, and connection to ancestral roots. Even amidst centuries of foreign colonization, the Filipino sense of spirituality tied to Apo remains a testament to the resilience and continuity of native beliefs. So where did the word Apo come from? The Austronesians? The Chinese? In Sanskrit, the oldest language in the world, water means Apap. In Chinese, another ancient language, father means Baba, written as Pa. I am sure they passed this on to the Koreans, who up till now uses Appa, and I am sure you have heard the word Opa. In ancient Greece, Apo means to go away or far away. The closest I can find is the Chinese influence. Because for Filipinos, Apo is father, male elder. But also used to this day as a sign of great deference to Filipinos' living legend, Apo Wangad. Because Apo is used to call people held in the highest regard. Used for the chieftains, or in Tagalog datas and Muslims rajas. Long before the Spanish arrived, there was a chieftain in the northern Philippines who was a compassionate and just leader. They called him Apo because he was deeply respected and unwaveringly trusted by his people. They followed him without hesitation, entrusting him with their lives, and in return, he governed with care and unwavering dedication to their well-being. To the town's horror, their Apo met a tragic end at the hands of malevolent forces hungry for power. When he fell, the tribe raised a battle cry in honor of his name, a resounding call that echoed their love, loyalty, and determination to uphold his legacy. They were able to stand up against the enemy with this battle cry Yoloing Apo. Or in English head of the Apo. The tribe found their strength and unity, rising against their enemies with unwavering courage. The call became a powerful symbol of their loyalty to the chieftain and their resolve to protect their land and people, driving them to victory despite the odds. Their town was named Olongapo, or in modern times more well known as Olongapo, where the Spanish established their naval base as did the Americans. Apo, a respectful word, highest regard, superlative acclaim. Zenithal acclaim. From the mountains to the rivers, to the reefs. Apo is a Bibayan to Tagalog to Filipino. A word that is as old as its namesake.